In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Pie charts are a fantastic way to visually represent data, making it easier to comprehend and analyze. Whether you're preparing a report, a school project, or just keen on organizing your information more effectively, knowing how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets can be highly beneficial. So, let's dive right into this simple yet insightful guide. First things first, you'll want to have your data ready in a Google Sheet. Ideally, your data should have two columns, one with the category labels and the other with the values you wish to represent. Once your data is set, open your Google Sheets and navigate to the document containing your data. This step is crucial as having your data appropriately structured will make the process smoother and ensure your pie chart accurately reflects the information you want to display. Next, highlight the data range you wish to include in the pie chart. Click and drag your cursor over the desired cells, encompassing both the category labels and their corresponding values. This is a critical step because the selection will define what appears in the pie chart, so ensure all relevant data is included. After your data is selected, look towards the top menu, find the Insert option, and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear offering various insertion options. Here, you'll see Chart, which is the option you need to select. Clicking Chart will prompt Google Sheets to generate a default chart based on your selected data. The next step is customization. Google Sheets usually defaults to a column chart, so you'll likely need to adjust this to a pie chart. Once the default chart appears, you should see a side panel on the right titled Chart Editor. If the chart editor doesn't appear automatically, double-click the chart to bring it up. Within the chart editor, go to the Setup tab, typically the first tab. Under Chart Type, you'll be presented with various chart options. From this list, select Pie Chart. Instantaneously, you'll see your chart transform into a pie chart. With your pie chart now visible, it's time to customize its appearance to suit your needs better. Navigate to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. Here, you can modify the chart's appearance, adjust titles, change colors, add labels, and more. Play around with these options to get your chart looking just how you want it. Effective customization enhances readability and ensures your audience quickly grasps the information presented. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted pie chart in Google Sheets that effectively communicates your data in a visually appealing way. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create more engaging and insightful data representations. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to check out our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy charting.